Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and just gigantic volume, well above average, and it was all in the bearish direction. So certainly some updates here need to be made, as you know, there's just very clearly a lot of downwards pressure here that's taken shape. So let's first talk about some areas of resistance in the event the price tries to bounce upwards. Where some of these key battlegrounds at. And the first key battleground in the very near term of any sort of attempted bounce, right there at $18.50. You can actually see a couple times the price was trying to bounce upwards, and every time it got up right around that $18.50 mark, it was like somebody flipped the switch, the momentum disappeared, and the price could never make any further progress. So that'll definitely be, the first leading indicator that maybe things are going to try to get turned around. Now, don't get me wrong, just because the price might break above $18.50 does not mean that the price is shooting up there. My point here is it's at least a valid thought to, start to begin to think, okay, maybe the bulls are truly starting to get things established. Maybe the bulls are going to try to make some sort of, push back to the upside. But so 1850 is going to be that first key level. But until the price breaks above there, then, you should be relatively skeptical of any sort of bullishness. Again, just because the price gets above 1850 doesn't mean that it's for sure going to be bullish. But just because the price, but as long as the price does stay down below it, then yeah, you don't want to get too excited about anything, unless the price can, like I said, fight up above 1850. If the price can push up above there, next key level at that point would then be up there around that former support, around that $19 mark. So you'll want to keep a close eye on that also. As far as areas of support are concerned, pretty sure this is at, I don't know about all-time lows, but lows that have not been seen for a very, very long time. In fact, let's go to the daily time frame here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, lows that have not been seen for quite literally months upon months upon months. So current key level of support going to be right here at the $18 mark. If $18 cannot hold up, the next key level of support at that point would be down there around $17.35. So keep your eye on these couple levels going forward, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.